How's it going, everybody? Well, today is our second time. What would we call this? Our second video? Well, my second box from Mexicrate. It's a box. Okay, let's open our box though, guys.
What is Mexicrate, babe?
Huh?
What is Mexicrate?
What is Mexicrate? Mexicrate is a subscription box. As you guys know, my wife is has a subscription to Ipsy. I honestly wanted to do one for fun, so I went and tried to find one, and I found this one actually pretty interesting, so I ordered it. It's Mexicrate. It's it's $5 for the box and $5 shipping, so altogether about $10. And it's just a pound of random Mexican candy.
Show us how it looks when you open it. I want to see.
Well, of course, we get a sticker and
Postcard.
Postcard, yes.
What's a postcard say?
This, once again, says, gracias. Share a photo on Instagram, tag us, and hashtag Mexicrate for a chance to win a $25 gift card. And it says, greetings from Juarez, Old Mexico. It's Juarez. Anyway, open up the candy. Hey, these are pretty interesting. I have no clue what these are called. Watermelon flavored candy confitted with bittersweet and spicy powder. Very interesting.
Let me see, babe. They're called hormigas, I think. I'm not sure.
Hormigas? The chances are there's probably two in there of those. Because last time I had my box, there was 2 of each candies. But I'll keep digging and see what I find. These are... I don't even know what these ones are called. Sorry, guys. Lollipop and hot candy powder. Yes. Letting you know, this is Mexican candy, so most of this is gonna have chili on it.
Let me see what it says. A chipileta.
Chipileta?
Naranja. I think a chipileta is a sucker. If you guys know, let me know, or us know in the comments. What is it? Pulparindo. Let me see it. Sorry, guys. I know more Spanish than he does, but he's learning, but I don't know everything.
This is pretty interesting.
So if I'm correct, this is a fruit roll-up. I think.
Oh, okay.
I think this is a fruit roll-up.
Whoa. 2 of those. Put that up there. Now let's go to these little things. Hot chili ever scent powder. It's orange flavored.
Oh, so it's supposed to feel like, those soda candies we have? The Sprites and stuff, and you put them in your mouth and like kind of bubble. That's what that is, but a powder version.
Oh, okay. That's actually pretty cool. We got a couple of them, tell you the truth. Boom, boom. Yeah, they're all...
Thumbs up the video if you like, and he goes boom, boom. Just kidding.
Boom. We got 5 of these, guys. So we're gonna try those. That sounds pretty interesting. Here's another one of those. How do you say that again, babe?
Hormigas, I think. Guys, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Don't judge me. Just kidding.
There's 3 of these suckers. 3 of them. Whoa, I don't know what happened to this one.
What are they?
There's at least 4 in here, but one's missing. These are, let me see what they are, guys. Vero, I don't know, say it. I don't know, say it.
Vero elotes.
Vero y Lopez.
So again, lollipops.
I'm trying to find the ingredients in English.
Some of the candies have it, some don't. I noticed.
But we got 4 of those. 4.
3, babe. You're missing one.
Oh, yeah, sorry guys. Okay, on to this one. This is another sucker. This is hard candy lollipop with artificial flavor. But it doesn't say what the flavor is.
Show them it.
It's actually pretty interesting. Look at that.
Let me see it.
Once again, there's 2 of those. 2 of them.
This I can't pronounce.
She can't pronounce. She can't. Dang, there's some more of those soda things.
You should try one, babe.
And some more, cool. Okay, this. Tama King.
Tama King. Sabor tamarindo con chile.
Okay. Then we have a lolly gummy. This one's green apple flavor.
It smells like it's another sucker.
This one's a lolly gummy.
Remember, baby, you gotta show them each thing you get.
Oh, I thought I did. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
It's okay, guys. He's still learning. It's probably his second unboxing, huh, babe?
Yeah. No more, yeah. And I think these are gum. Yeah. These are gum.
Let me see.
There's a peppermint and a spearmint.
You'll have the top one upside down.
Let me fix it.
That's cool.
Then salsa Getty.
Let's see it.
Salsa Getty.
This is what it looks like. It's the Lucas brand. Isn't that a lime salt brand?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a salsa Getty. I think it's just like, I'm guessing it's like watermelon flavored gummy strings. If you look at the package, it looks like a watermelon. And it has salsa in it. So again, chili. I was explaining it for you. Just
This, if I'm correct.
Oh, he's happy.
I think this is supposed to be a crayon. But anyways, it's made by Jolly Rancher and it's mango.
Look, I thought he was nodding his head because I was explaining to you guys what it was, but he was just excited to talk about this crayon. Is that what it was?
Is that what it says?
No, I'm asking. You weren't getting bugged out. You were just trying to show them your crayon. This is cool, but what is it? Is it like a push-up? You should open this to show them what it is. You don't have to eat it now, but
No, I'm gonna taste it. We're gonna taste some of these with you guys real quick, okay? Last time I just opened the box and showed you guys everything. Let's try
No, last time you
stuff.
tasted.
Oh, did I?
I think so. But you tasted as you were going through each product, I think.
First off, we gotta figure out how to open this. Be smarter than the contraption. Just kidding.
Did you guys notice he got glasses?
I can see.
Clearly now.
The rain has stopped. I'm just kidding.
Has stopped. It's gone. Excuse me.
Hadi! That's not what they say on the res.
Just
On the
open.
res, it has stopped. Just kidding.
Just open your candy.
Oh, wow.
Babe, there's scissors.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Look, he's a lefty, guys. What is it? Is it kind of like a pelon? He's not saying anything, guys.
It's good. Very good.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take it away so you could finish
Okay.
tasting stuff. I'll get a little bit. It better not be gross. It's good, but the pelons are still better. You should try one of these.
Okay. I'm getting covered in candy. Because that's like all gooey. Let's see here. I'm gonna open one of these.
I don't know if you should put it all in your mouth.
Not bad. It barely fizzes at all.
Put the rest and see. Look at his face, guys.
Yeah, it has chili in it.
Oh, oops.
Hi. How we doing? No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, pick one more thing you have to try real quick.
Let's see. Why don't we try the chipilera?
Okay.
Because that you could put back in the package if you don't want to finish it.
Okay. Let's try this real quick, guys. Okay. If I could even get the package open. Open the package. Package open.
There's chili in this, just letting you know. Did you get it? Because now I can open this real quick.
Okay, open that one real quick. It's probably faster than I told you. I told you.
Don't breathe it in.
Hold your breath. Just kidding.
No, when I opened it with my tooth, like I breathed it in and now my nose is like all funky.
I was expecting it to be hotter. But anyways, guys.
I know normally he's all energetic on his videos, but he just got back from doing a little job. And he's dying on camera. Just kidding.
Anyways.
It's funny because normally when he coughs, I tell him to die silently. I can't believe I just told them that.
No. You guys have a wonderful evening. Enjoy your night. And until next time, check you later.